Hey guys, so here we have the second video on this Lasko 18-inch table fan for 2026. This is the 2026 version, I guess. I don't know. The original version, and this is the second video on it because I do like this version of it a lot. And this version is way better than the original version that I had of it, because the original version that I had of this fan, it was the actual 18-inch blade. And that blade was horrible on this motor because this motor was originally from my 12-inch table fan from Lasko, and it has the same exact motor as like the 16-inch multi-purpose pedestal fans with like a slightly different capacitor. But this is a blade from the Optimus pedestal fan from 2007, and it actually works really well on this fan. So let's give it a close-up look here. Here's the badge. I've had the 18-inch Cyclone pedestal fan for at least like 2 years now, and it still has its original lacquer. Here's the base with the chrome knob on the bottom. If I can tilt it up, I'll show you. Yeah, it has 3 speeds. Still has the same exact blade as the Optimus fan, of course. Here is the left side of the fan. It's also a bit big to fit in the frame here. Oops. Here is the right side of the fan. Apparently my little like $5 fan here. Apparently that one's like disintegrating. The cord is actually caught somewhere. Okay. Camera fell. Okay. Okay, now I can show you guys the back because the cord is free now. Now I can pull it through. Oscillation, of course. It also has like 5 positions. So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt it up like that so it can oscillate. I mean, it still manages to oscillate even at its lowest position, but still it needs some space to oscillate. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. To show you guys the plug real quick, it's the same plug as every other Lasko fan from the 2010s. Okay, so now go and walk towards it a bit more and start off on low speed. Pretty quiet. The breeze is actually pretty good too. I mean, it's decent. I'm standing like two or 3 feet back away from it, and I can feel it. This definitely has a proper motor, so it doesn't have like a huge difference between the speeds, unlike when I tried it on like the pedestal fans. This definitely works really well as a fan. Alright, let's take it up to medium. Still pretty quiet. Has a pretty nice sound. Sounds like a cyclone pedestal fan almost. Here's an idea of it. At high speed. It's actually moving a lot better on high now. It's also not all that noisy. You can see this blade is a lot better with than the original blade that I originally had it with, which was the 18-inch blade. Alright, now we'll go ahead and turn it off to launch the coast down. I feel like DB Vintage, because that's what he says in all of his videos when he turns his fans off. And now we'll go ahead and bring in the oscillation. Oh crap, this fan here will not stay in place. I'm gonna have to fix that after the video. Let's start it up on low with oscillation. Click in the oscillation. That's not terrible. That's not good. All right, now we'll bring the fan up to medium. That's pretty good oscillation with this motor, or blade, like parts set or something. And now we'll bring the fan up to high speed. And now there's off. Alright, so yeah, it has a pretty good coast down. It's a pretty decent fan for being cheap and plastic. But anyway, thanks for watching this. Catch you in the next fan video. Peace.